Hello and welcome back everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia back with my lovely client Devin. She is now 13 and she's back in just to get a press with her mom. So in today's video I just wanted to show you how she came in. Now she did just take out braids, so she did have to be detangled, but of course I did my shampoo condition. You guys know I do 3 shampoos, a deep condition, and this is her hair freshly washed. She has very tightly curly hair. Some would say this is 4C. I actually don't do hair typing myself. I just say hair is curly, and as you guys may know, some people may have more than one texture on their head, so there is that. I already pressed the hair off camera. The reason being is because she just had a viral video on my channel, so I'll be sure to link that down below. That video, I'll link it just so you guys can see like the process of pressing and blow drying her hair out thoroughly. But I didn't want to bore you guys and do the same exact thing that I did last video, so this is just a shorter version of me pressing her hair out. I mostly wanted to post this to show you guys her coming in just to get her hair trimmed up again. As you guys know, I customize my trims. I don't do just a straight across line. I like to follow the general shape of the client's hair and where the fullness is. Of course, making sure to take out all of the splits, but if there's nothing that is split, I just go in and like to customize each cut. So I like to start off with a rough draft or a rough cut, and then I'll just go in and refine and just make sure everything is nice and even and precise. I do have more in-depth tutorials on my membership on my tab on my page, but I'm working on my website. I'm having that revamped, so it should be done hopefully before the summertime. Yeah, it's going to be a major change coming, so I'll be having like an educational platform to show you guys in-depth tutorials and a little bit of everything. So I'm working with the designer now, but I want to bring you guys everything all on my website. So as far as like booking, merchandise, tools, help, social media content, building your clientele, Instagram content, YouTube content, all of that fun stuff. So that's what I'm working on now. Just trying to get everything under one umbrella. So Devin, she is such a sweetheart. Like I said, she's 13. She's kind of shy. Her mom wasn't here with her this day. Her mom actually got the new client silk press service, and then Devin just got the intense hydrating silk press with a trim. Because it's been a while. The last time she came was about 5 months ago. It was right before school and right before her birthday. And her birthday's in October like Adrian, so she's now 13, and her mom just wanted to bring her back in just to get another press and get some maintenance, also to help detangle and just make sure that we keep up on her hair, keep it nice and healthy. So that's just what you see me doing here. And then after this, I'm just going to go in with my custom Cassandra Olivia flat irons, because period. And I'm just going to go in and spiral curl her hair and then just show you guys how I style it. Initially, I recorded the video like this because I was going to just post it on Instagram, but I decided, you know what, since I have some extra clips here, let me just go ahead and throw these on YouTube as well. So if you guys want to see more consistent content, to be honest, I would definitely follow me on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia. Same thing on TikTok as well. My TikTok is dry AF, guys. I think I have like 300 or 400 people on there. I do not be on TikTok like that, but I've been posting more consistently, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, if you guys are struggling with like how to build your clientele, how to stand out on social media, all of that good stuff, I also do have a private Facebook group, and I just dropped a whole like 5 to 6 paragraphs on what I do every single day to grow my social media. And if you guys have been following me on there, you'll see like literally in the last month and a half, I've gained 3,000 subscribers, or not subscribers, what is it, on Instagram followers. So your girl knows what she's talking about. I just be playing sometimes, because to me, like, social media is fun and all, but it's not like my whole life. I'm a 90s kid, so I grew up very much outside, very much with dial-up and all that. So I'm not so attached to my phone as most people are, but for 2024, it's grind time, so I'm really ready to hit the ground running. I'm definitely going to hit 100K this year, and I'm going to hit 200K on YouTube, so y'all heard it here first, period. And I'm going to keep working diligently until I reach that goal, but not only reach it, but surpass it. So I just decided, like, while I'm trying to grow my own, platform, let me go ahead and just put other people on as well. So yeah, that's that. And I just got on here just to say hi, and I miss you guys, and it's lit. Like, I really love my job. As you guys see, I have so many clients, so many return clients, so many new clients, and I really just vibe with each and every one of them. Devin, she's so cute. She's so shy. I promise you, she was not in any pain or anything. She was just literally talking to me, talking to her mom. I was spinning her around, showing her hair, and now I'm just going to go in and put a little bit of edge control on her and then just show you guys the end result. Sidebar. I did not notice her SpongeBob shirt. Y'all know I love SpongeBob. My leg. When I was editing, I'm like, oh my God, how did I not peep that the whole entire time? Like, I would have probably asked to buy that shirt off of her back. Like, but I hope everybody has a wonderful day. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm doing this voiceover really quickly, trying to whisper. But thank you guys for always watching and supporting. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely be dropping more longer tutorials after this one. But I just want to get this footage out of my phone. So thank you guys again. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.